Good morning students. Today we will be doing exercise 6.4 question number 4 to 7 and worksheet 10 will remain homework for you. This worksheet you have to do in the notebook. Okay. So let us start with exercise 6.4. Now first question that we will be doing is the cost of 81 by 4 liter of petrol is rupees 495. What is the cost of 1 liter of petrol? So as you can see here, 81 by 4 liter of petrol is of rupees 495 and you have to find the cost of one petrol. When you have been given the value of many things and you have to find the value of one thing, you have to divide. ओके मल्टीप्लिकेशन का अपोजिट होता है. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में वैल्यू ऑफ वन थिंग गिवन होती है और आपको ज़्यादा चीज़ों की वैल्यू निकालनी होती है. यहाँ पे ज़्यादा चीज़ों की वैल्यू गिवन है और आपको एक चीज़ की वैल्यू निकालनी है. So here the cost of 81 by 4 liter. Firstly we will write the statement. Cost of 81 by 4 liter of petrol is rupees 495. Cost of 1 liter of petrol, what you will do is 495 will be divided by 81 by 4. It is very important which one you are writing first and which one you will writing सेकेंड. ओके आपको 81 by 4 लीटर, आपको लीटर्स निकालना है कितने पैसों का निकल रहा है, तो पैसों को डिवाइड करोगे ना लीटर से. ठीक है, इस वजह से दैट विल बी द आंसर. ओके सो इफ़ यू विल राइट 81 by 4 फर्स्ट एंड 495 एट द लाइक एट सेकेंड नंबर, सो इट विल बी रॉन्ग. ओके डू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. 495 डिवाइडेड बाय 81 by 4. सो इसको आप चेंज करोगे इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में. 4 8 था 32, 32 प्लस 1 33 होता है, 33 अपॉन में 4. 495 डिवाइडेड बाय 33 अपॉन में 4 का क्या हो जाएगा, 4 रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. 4 ऊपर चला जाएगा, 33 नीचे आ जाएगा और मल्टीप्लाई साइन आ जाएगा, डिवाइड का मल्टीप्लाई साइन आ जाएगा. 495 एंड 33 अगर आप इसको ऐड करते हो, इफ़ यू विल ऐड दिस थिंग, 4 + 9 is 13, 13 + 5 is 18. So 18 does come in the table of 3 and 33 also come in the table of 3. So 33 come in the table of 3 at 11. 4 come in the table of 3. 4 doesn't come in the table of 3, so we will divide it with 1. 1 will be left, so 19. 19 doesn't come in the table of 3, it will be 18. 18 come in the table of 3 at 6. And then 5 will become 15 and 15 come in the table of 3 at 5. So 165 will be the answer. Now again 11 is there. So we will check whether it will be divisible by 11. Yes, it will be divisible by 11. 165 does come in the table of 11. Sorry, 165 will be divisible by 11. So now 11 will go in the table of 11 at 1. 16 doesn't come in the table of 11, so we will take 11 at 1 and 5 is left. 5 we will write in front. 55 come in the table of 11 at 5. So 15 will be the answer. So now 15 for the 15 we will multiply with 4. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, so it will be 60. It means this cost of 1 liter of petrol is rupees 60. So rupees 60 is the cost of the petrol. Now a man covers a distance of 10 1 by 4 kilometer into 1 by 4 hours on his bicycle. Now as you know कि एक मैन का डिस्टेंस गिवन है 10 1 by 4 किलोमीटर कवर कर रहा है टू 1 by 4 hours in bicycle. How much distance does he cover in 1 hour? अब 1 hour निकालना है. Again the value of 1 hour. Do remember this thing. Now what is the total distance given? So we will write total distance covered on the bicycle is 10 1 by 4 kilometers. Now total time taken to cover 10 1 by 4 kilometer is 2 1 by 4 hours. अब आपको क्या बोला है कि 1 hour के अंदर कितना डिस्टेंस कवर होगा, तो डिस्टेंस को r से डिवाइड करेंगे. So distance covered in 1 hour is 10 1 by 4 divided by 2 1 by 4. Again these both are in mixed fraction, so we will change it into improper fraction. 4 10 the 40, 40 plus 1 is 41 upon my 4. 4 2 the 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 upon my 4. Now 41 upon my 4 divided by 9 upon my 4. Now division sign will be changed into multiplication and this we will do reciprocal, so it will become 4 by 9. 4 will go at 4 at 1 and 41 and 9 is left. So 41 multiplied by 1 41, 9 multiplied by 1 by 9. So here we will not leave this question here. 41 by 9 नहीं छोड़ेंगे because दोनों चीज़ें आपको क्या दी थी, mixed fraction में दी हुई थी, तो we will change it into mixed fraction. Now 41 we will divide by 9. How? Because this one is denominator, so it will come outside, and this one is numerator, so it will go inside. Now 41 doesn't come in the table of 9, so we can take 36. 36 come in the table of 9 at 4 and we will have 5 left. So now this 4 will become your whole number. 4 will become whole number. This 9 will become denominator and this 5 will become, this remainder will become your numerator. Always remember this thing. Okay, so remember this thing, that this one is your whole number. Okay, this one is your denominator and this one is your numerator. This one is denominator and this one is your numerator. Okay, so we will write like this: 4 5 by 9 kilometer will be covered in 1 hour. So distance covered in 1 hour is 4 5 by 9 kilometers. Next question is, Sunita wants to stitch frocks for girls living in a children's home. She wants to stitch frocks for the girls. Okay. She needs 3 1/4 meter of cloth to stitch a frock. अब one frock stitch करने के लिए 3 1/4 meter की requirement है cloth की. How many frocks can be stitched using 9 1/2 meter of cloths? टोटल क्लॉथ आपको गिवन है, 9 1/2 मीटर गिवन है क्लॉथ का. उसने बोला है वन जो फ्रॉक है वो इतने की स्टिच होती है, इतने क्लॉथ की स्टिच होती है. अब ये बताना है 19 1/2 मीटर ऑफ क्लॉथ में कितनी फ्रॉक स्टिच होंगी. सो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट आपकी इसकी क्या रहेगी, आप बोलोगे क्लॉथ नीडेड टू स्टिच अ फ्रॉक, दैट इज लेंथ ऑफ द क्लॉथ नीडेड भी लिख सकते हो, लेंथ ऑफ द क्लॉथ नीडेड टू स्टिच अ फ्रॉक, दैट इज 3 1/4 meters. Now we will change it into mixed fraction. 4 3 the 12, 12 plus 1 is 13 and remainder remains same. Okay, so now next one is your here total length of the cloth. Total length of the cloth is 19 1/2 meters. So we will change it into, again in improper fraction, 2 19 the 38, 38 plus 1 is 39, 39 upon 2 meters will be the answer. Now number of frocks that can be stitched from 39 upon 2 meters में कितनी फ्रॉक्स और बन जाएंगी. 39/2 को डिवाइड किससे करोगे, 13 upon 4 से. So we will write like this. Now this division sum will be changed into multiplication and this we will do reciprocal. Now 2 will divide with 4, 2 comes in the table of 2 at 1, 4 come in the table of 2 at 2. Now 39 and 13 also come in the same table, 13 come in the table of 13 at 1, 39 come in the table of 13 at 3. So here 3 to the 6, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 3 to the 6. So it means that, so 6 frocks can be stitched from 19 1/2 meter of cloth. Okay, ये already whole number है, तो आपको इसका mixed fraction वगैरह किसी में कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Now in this question I have given you as homework. With what is the question here? Please look here. 15 Mrs. Smith makes 15 kg of pickle. ना मिसेस स्मिथ के पास टोटल पिकल है, जैसे इसके अंदर टोटल क्लॉथ था इसमें टोटल पिकल है. शी कैन पुट 3/4 kg ऑफ द पिकल इन 1 jar. अब 3/4 kg जो पिकल है वो 1 jar में आ सकता है. नाउ वी वांट टू नो हाउ मेनी जार डज शी नीड टू पुट ऑल द पिकल. अब कितने जार में सारा का सारा पिकल जो है वो पैक हो जाएगा, दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड. सो इट मीन्स 15 विल बी डिवाइडेड बाय 3/4 एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर. Okay students, so this one is your homework, you have to do it in the notebook. Next, next homework that you have to do is this one, worksheet 10. In notebook you have to do these questions, you have to do in the notebook and you have to solve it properly. I hope that you will be able to do it properly and you will be able to revise also. Please do it properly and this homework is your homework. So this one is worksheet 10. Okay students, and tomorrow you will be having table test at 8:50. At 8:50 you will be having your table test. Do remember, अच्छे से learn करना आपको and be prepared, and this one is your homework. Okay, bye bye students.